Hey there, the street murals over there, and then we can see that it looks like a good restaurant because many people are eating here. Yeah, over there. Let's go some. Ha? Ayo nga no. 250. Okay. There's additional murals over there that you can actually see. Ayan o, kita mo? Oo nga. And this is the local samgyup here in Vietnam. Pinko Cafe.
Dire-diretso lang pala.
Oh.
Ang lamig sa Vietnam. Ay, tahan mo.
Ginaw ka na?
Okay lang. Nakakatawa lang. Parang yung, yung food lang na ano.
Oo. Sarap ng weather. Gusto ko siya. Parang ang bango. Ba yan? Lechon ba yan? Baboy ba yan? Parang hindi. Ha? Ano siya? Hindi ko alam. O goat? I don't know. Nakatakot naman. Oo nga. Parang genuine train. The local food. The local food. Oh. That's a train street over there. So, ayan. Ito yung kalye. Ayun yung train street where may mga coffee, restaurants. Diba? So, ayan, ang train. Dito ako. Ay, wala na. It's done. So, this is a famous train street, but we're not allowed to go inside.
Ano sabi ni Paula?
Oh. So, dapat doon kanina. Oo. Punta tayo doon. Halika. Para makakaano. This is the local 7-Eleven here in Hanoi, Vietnam. You can find onigiri also here, and lots of sandwiches and different drinks. So they even have soju here. So we're gonna find somewhere we can eat at the railway street, train street, no? So, as I was saying, we're gonna find something nice to eat dinner tonight at the train street, the railway restaurant. So, we're gonna sneak in and eat some good dinner. With my travel buddy over there who's actually paying what she's buying here. So, come and join us and let's enjoy Hanoi. So, we were able to find a place where we can actually sit down and eat dinner here at Train Street. So good thing there's guy who actually let us in, and so we can eat here while we wait for the train to arrive. So let's see if it arrives, and if it does not, then just go home and rest. So, ito yung mga nabili ko sa ano yung Circle K. I bought C2 lychee tea. I bought this, what? Ito? Parang fish cracker na may seaweed. Squid cracker na may seaweeds. At yung isa, may apple cider. Strong apple cider. And this we bought sa market kanina, may floor. And then, syempre, ito ko tayong favorite. Meron akong this one, salmon.
May dala ko naman pa rin.
Oo, meron. And this one. So, while we wait for what we ordered what? This, the spring roll seafood. And the other one, yung stir fry something. This one. Yeah, this one. Hindi ko mabasa. Bo. Niobo. Ayan o. Hindi. Mi Xiao. Whatever. Tikman natin siya, ha? Okay, this is the stir-fried noodles and spring rolls. Let's eat. Okay, we'll try this out. The one that we, the stir-fried noodles. Okay.
What happens after the first 5 days?
And this one. Seafood spring roll. Really good. Anong sabi?
Wala pa.
On fire.
Stop. Stop. Good.
Sarap.
We'll just... Okay. Oh, mama, ambon po. So, fortunately, there's still a train coming, and I think this will be the last for today. So, let's see. There is the train. You can see the light
Do you like
already.
going to the pool?
So,
The pool is good. Okay. So, Andre, anything that really surprised you about Vietnam so far?
There's the
Anything
train.
that happened? Not really? No? Anything that like...
Saan
You
tabi
just
ka?
thought it would be a normal cup of coffee, but something else happened?
street here in Hanoi, enjoying the nightlife. So I'm having tiger there, and my friends over there. Say hi. Hi. Actually having snails, diba? And how's the snail?
Very good. Very good.
Yummy. Okay, that's how it is. So snails, barbecue, and then some beer. Tiger beer now. It's good, like the old days. So we just transferred to another. We're actually on our way to our hotel, but then we passed by a beer. Which only cost $10,000. So I'm trying it out. So. Not bad. Really good. Tastes like something in beer, draft. So, really good. Only for $10,000. And that ends my day 2, mga kabudgetarian. Thank you for watching. Again, please do not forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!